Hey there, guys. Chet here. If you're trying to choose between Shift4Shop and Shopify for your online store, then this short comparison will help you understand the differences rather quickly. Both platforms help you sell online, but they work in different ways. Let's take a closer look so that you can pick the right one for your needs. But before we get started, let me offer you something special. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below. We'll give you a 3-day Shopify free trial, plus the $1 per month offer, and you'll get complete access to my Shopify course where we'll teach you how to set up everything with confidence. Let's get started. First, let's start with a quick overview of both platforms. Shopify is one of the biggest online store builders in the world. It's known for being easy to use, full of features, and great for beginners and advanced sellers. Shift4Shop, on the other hand, is also an e-commerce platform, but it focuses more on giving you a lot of built-in tools for a lower cost, especially if you use their payment system. Both let you build a full online store, manage products, take payments, and grow your business. Now let's look at ease of use. Shopify is very beginner friendly. The dashboard is clean, everything is clearly labeled, and you can set up products, payments, and design in just a few minutes. This is why beginners love Shopify. Now, Shift4Shop works too, but its interface feels older and more complex. If you're brand new to online selling, Shopify will probably feel more comfortable and easier to learn. Next, let's compare their features. Shopify gives you a smooth store editor, great themes, powerful apps, strong inventory tools, and a ton of payment options. You'll also get amazing features like Shopify payments, abandoned cart recovery, marketing tools, and a huge app store that lets you add anything that you need. Shift4Shop also gives many built-in features like unlimited products, marketing tools, SEO features, and real-time shipping. Now, the big difference is that Shift4Shop includes many features for free that Shopify often offers through paid apps. So Shopify gives more flexibility, while Shift4Shop gives more built-in tools. Let's talk about design. Shopify has a large theme library with modern templates that look fresh and professional. You can customize them easily without knowing how to code. Shift4Shop also has themes, but they are not as modern or smooth. Shopify definitely wins when it comes to design options. Next, we have integration. Shopify has thousands of apps in its app store. You can connect almost any tool from marketing to drop shipping to accounting. Shift4Shop has integrations too, but the list is much smaller. If you want a big ecosystem and lots of add-ons, Shopify is the stronger choice. And now for pricing. Shopify offers the basic plan at $25 per month, Grow is $65 per month, Advanced is $399 per month, and the Plus plan starts at $2,300 per month. Shift4Shop has one premium plan that includes everything for $41 per month, which already gives you many built-in features, free themes, and fraud protection. This makes Shift4Shop much cheaper if your goal is to save money. So, which one do you choose? If you want the easiest setup, modern design, a huge app store, and a platform that grows with your business, Shopify is the better choice. It's smooth, reliable, and great for beginners and experienced sellers. But if you want to save money and get tons of built-in tools without paying a lot of extra money for apps, Shift4Shop can be a very good option, especially if you prefer an all-in-one solution. All right, that's it for this video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.